Hi Unicorn fam, so today I'm on a nature walk. I have my unicorn backpack. I just did a circle, and we're on a nature walk. I got my lifesaver just in case I really do need a lifesaver. I'm just joking. I just need some candy because I just want some candy. So yeah, we're just walking around. It's a nature walk and very long. We just started. We came from all the way down there from from our house. I already see our deck. I see our deck. Yeah, and so long. Let me show you. Going across the nature walk. I'm walking at the nature walk. So this is basically what you see is what I see. Telling us now. Open this candy. I have to try to do something because I'm trying to open the candy, but I don't really know how. I see people do that all the time, like where they just squeeze it and it comes out. I don't want to do this, but I have to. It's still hard to open. What? I'm just gonna have to Ty, can you hold the camera? Video me. Can you video me? Because I have to open the lifesaver, so can you video it? Okay. Video me, not the ground. Ty, is it looking at me? Okay. So I have my camera person holding the camera so I can open my lifesaver. Yay, we got it open. It's a real lifesaver. Real lifesaver. Okay. Thank you. So that's my cameraman for the summer. Cameraman for the summer. I know I haven't been posting. I'm sorry if you guys couldn't see me. My camera, it gets shaded off when the sun hits it. But make sure what got camera in there. I have to cut that out. So yeah, I'm just basically like walking. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's because traffic. I don't want to show nobody's car, but traffic. So it's a little loud to hear me because traffic. So we're basically just walking around the area, and yeah, I'm probably so loud. I have a lifesaver in my mouth, and then the cars are loud too. So I'm just updating you guys because I haven't posted in a while. The last video I did was me drinking coffee. It was disgusting. I never want to try that again. I don't know how you parents do that. You drink coffee and then you just eat it. I mean, drink it, because I can't do that. Like, it's disgusting. It tastes horrible. So I'm never trying coffee again. But yeah. Peace. Bye, Unicorn fam. Doing this nature walk. I will be posting some more stuff if you want me to. But bye.